let's get started. I know how to open it because this is so. I just got this from, I don't know what I got, because I got this from my daddy, and then we just bought it from the shop. We just bought it. We just go because we just went to Five Below, and we did get it because we get all this Five Below and we just have fun because we about to go Five Below tomorrow. Yeah, just kidding, guys. Just kidding. We about to open this because Mommy,
Yeah?
can you open this?
You supposed to say?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I take this. Look at this, guys. This like orange creepy. So we about to play with it and get it out. Not working. Not working. Let me try again. I'm trying to get
Need help?
We just got it out because we bought Squishy because this is a real Play-Doh because we have to put it in here. So we about to use it because we about to put this in here. So let's get started. I don't want to break this class. It's so big. I'm about to do this. 1, 2, 3. I don't need that. I don't need this. I don't need a big one. Just need a cut. There we go, guys. Gonna fall. We have to make a. We about to make a orange. I'm about to squish it. Mama. Guys, I got this. I'm gonna make beans. Let's see. Come here. Look at that. You see this guy? You see this one ball? Come down. You see this noodles? This color noodles. So we about to take this out. Look at this creepy dot. Looks so funny. Bye. Thank you for calling. Bye. Subscribe to my channel and give me the thumbs up and click this bye button. See you next time. Bye.